Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 651. Here we have the PSB 651 bushings with the sleeve having been removed. After cleaning out the inner housing thoroughly, insert some lubricant to ease the installation. Pop the two parts of the bushing in with your hand, as well as using a rubber mallet. Place the lubricant on the inner part of the bushing before then installing the sleeve. And there you have our installed PSB 651. And a comparison with the original bushing on the other side. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.